friends, today we are going to discuss about how we can copy an existing posted invoice and create a new invoice. So the transaction, first of all, we are going to find a document that we want to post. Suppose this is the document you want to post. Okay, so I am in FB03 and I have found this document. So suppose 19 whatever 19, a bunch of zeros, 1. Okay, so now I go to this transaction FBR1. Okay, so I go here in this transaction, and here I populate this document number, the company code, and I press enter. And here I can give all the information. Okay, I'll change the reference number, and here you get all this information. And once you save it, it will create a new document that you can use it. So this is very helpful when you're trying to post for something that you have already posted in the past, and you want to keep the same account assignment. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SCP channel and happy SCP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it. And have a great day.